Hello, Professor McEwen here, and the topic is how to prepare for the module exams. Now, in this class, United States History 1877, your summer class, is 6 weeks long. But I am very confident, because what I've seen is students like yourself who have taken a summer class are generally the better college students. Now, do understand, you are still held responsible for the same amount of information, the same number of exams, but less number of discussion questions for a 6-week course as a student taking a traditional 16-week course. So all that is going to be compacted. So what does that mean for you for the module exam? That means instead of studying for 2 chapters over several weeks, you have 1 chapter to sometimes familiarize yourself and also be a master in 2 or 3 chapters. So how do you help prepare for this? Well, first and foremost, go to the content section. Each exam is based on the module. As we can see here, Module 1, Early Colonization, 1492 to 1700. So, what you'll see listed here is a number of documents like Clash of Cultures outline and also a Collision of Cultures chapter video, as well as Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. So what you would want to do is just open it up, or better yet, download it, and then you can start taking notes from it. This is also a study guide. That means when you're looking at it, you need to know everything there is to know about the Mayas, the Incas, and Mexico, which was known as the Aztec, the North American civilizations as well. To help you with that, you can read along and take notes while you're reading, or also what has been proven to be very helpful, and students have told me they have done this, and these are the students that generally have made A's in the class, is they do listen to my lecture videos. The lecture videos could be anywhere between 45 minutes, usually not more than an hour. So therefore, you're going to have to dedicate at least probably 2 hours just listening and taking the lecture videos. Now, I apologize. My voice is not like James Earl Jones or Morgan Freeman, which could be a lot more pleasant to listen to. But I go into very great detail into these videos, and they do follow the outlines as well. And by combining the reading and also listening to the lecture, you should be well prepared. Then all you need to do is just study, 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 study. The exams are always on a Saturday, so that can give you plenty of time, hopefully if you don't have to work or have any other plans on a Saturday, to help you do very well on the exam. Exams can be found in the quizzes and exams section of the course. As you will see in the future exam, it says Module 1. This should probably show up by the time y'all are logging on to the course as well, and you should have already taken the physical exam. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. As you can see, this is my summer office in the background.